Hello viewers, it is good to meet you again in today's video. Today's proverb is about two birds, and in the local language it is quoted Asrewa su ajingukusua netopai. Asrewa is sunbird and ajinguku is red-eyed dove. Before I proceed with the literal meaning, just have a look at how the two birds cry. It is observed from the videos that you watched that the cry of the red-eyed dove is deeper or heavier than that of the sunbird. And so the literal meaning of this proverb is that when the sunbird cries like the red-eyed dove, its butt will burst. The meaning of this proverb is, do not overestimate your abilities, because doing so has consequences. When you force yourself into places you don't belong, or try to be like or compete with someone else who is much more capable, you will harm yourself in the end. This proverb, as we heard the meaning, is about doing things beyond your capabilities and abilities. Enunti, say the buyer sitting in one, and penning for a tade a beway and bought a nipa coco. Said the bear, Obia beye, ne nearma senior, na more day and I say, obetumi I am pepepe. Enunti, and embrace. Obi to me ehwese obi kura iPhone 15 and so now the whole song say obi use iPhone 15 then so or the whole beto to nipa no a pe kwan bia obefa so no to benya iPhone 15 e basa asrewa esu adingukusun enti ne to be pai ne say e betuma e bosia bo e na ode bebo na fei wanya sika akoto iPhone 15 ana say obefa kwan boni bia so na wanya sika na afi ode akoto iPhone 15 na kire no ye nyina ye nim so ofa kwan boni so epade a esusaso edeba enti asrewa otu be pai ene ye hwa aware bebra ekoso no obi tumi de ne ho etoto ne yonko eye na ware sei obo kase yi wona ware mu e bia ono de na ho de betumi e wo sikase mu na so se oyejire wo hu pese o ware pepepe de sika wo yonko no e de hye mu ye bia asrewa obesu agye nkukusu ama wato apai obeware awie na so ne katwitwidie e da ho e twen wo ye ba e kwan bebre so enso ena obi hwese obi akoto ka ebia na nipa kro de ne ho asom sa asrewa wo ho nson so obeto ka ana obe yuzi na opepre wo ho se obeto a obeso agye nkukusu ama wo to apai ye betumi ama mfato ho bebre. I'll be glad if you can write an example in the comment section. I have given about 2 and I am very sure that you can give more than what I have given. I would want to read your comments. An example of a sunbird crying like a red-eyed dove. Thanks to Mr. Daniel Siakiokum for compiling this proverb and its meaning. Thanks to you too, my viewer, for taking time to watch this proverb. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Today's TV on YouTube. Bye bye. See you in the next video.